So they just got done finishing the tile. Everything's completed, looks good. The only thing we have left is to order the glass door. We have Apple Valley Glass coming on Wednesday, and then they're gonna put in a custom, I'm thinking about doing either maybe like a barn door style or maybe just a pull through. I don't know, we'll see. Just depends on, their options that they have at the store and stuff. So anyways, yeah, I want to show you. Alright, so here it is. I just have to clean it a little bit. Just a little shower head, and I think the accent looks pretty good with that. What do you guys think? I think it matches pretty good. And then we have the bench and the floor. Like I said, it's kind of dirty. I gotta clean it, but I have to wait at least 2 days and able to turn on the water. So kind of let the grout dry and everything. And yeah, so the next step, like I said, is the glass door. And hopefully doesn't take too long. They're usually booked out, but we'll find out. So, okay. And then I'll show you one last update with the glass door on it. And we are done. We're going to start another project outside. Can't wait for that. So, stay tuned. All right.